Okay, ma'am. Students, can you see my screen? Devia
Your
and
voice is not clear, Tushar. Your voice is not clear.
I think here is the network problem, so my voice is not clear. Okay,
It's okay, carry on.
okay.
Hmm.
This is our fourth session, and related SDG Nong 2, that name is Zero Hunger, and our topic is typical food in your region or in our region. Today I am going to discuss about the typical food in our region. So the students, careful attention please. Here some of the pictures of my students. I al- I perform the project in my classroom. Can you you can see some picture here? Both the students and teachers arrange the typical food in our region in classroom. You can see some picture. You can see me. It's me and with my students. Here some of the food in our region that we arrange in our classroom. We arrange this program in every year in our school, and perform and and raise consciousness to our students about the healthy and unhealthy food, and so on. And the next slide is, you can see also here some pictures of my students. Here you can see it's me and with my colleagues, and it's my students. Here is some of my students with the typical food in our region. Here some foods, and I gradually discuss about all the foods for your understand. Okay, here both it's me with my students arrange typical food in our region, in our region in the classroom. So you can see some pictures. Okay, here the first one is, you can see biryani. It's a delicious food, and we love it in our region. And the second is, here is the beef. Beef, the Bangla Muslims are love beef. uh, and the third is rice and vegetables. Here you can see some vegetables and the rice. And the fourth is noodles. I think you it is familiar to all of you, both Bangladeshi and Indian students or teachers. Kunda ma'am, can you hear me? Kunda ma'am. Kunda ma'am, hello. Unmute yourself.
Yes, Tushar.
can
Yes.
you can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, the next slide, it's a local food. That name is muri and chira. Do you know muri or chira, Devia, or any other students? Uh, I think you don't
No.
know. It's a local
No.
food and it's made by rice. And it is a traditional or familiar food in our region. And then it is
Kunda,
it is
Hmm?
cherry
uh,
fruits.
काय ग?
now
che-
start. Uh, मेरी
Cherry
means
fruits.
in नहीं नहीं sorry sir, I disturb you.
No, no,
तुषार
carry on.
sir,
Carry on.
मेरी चीरा जो बोल रहे थे ना आप, मेरी चीरा, it's called kurmura in Marathi. ऐसा
Marathi
I
bhasha
know.
kurmura. Okay.
हाँ
हाँ हाँ.
कुरमुरा. हाँ
Kurmura. That's good.
कुरमुरा.
Okay, thank you. It's it's cherry fall. Here we call this fruits cherry fruits. That means in Bangla cherry fall. And the third is orange flower. Here the student make it by the orange. I think it's familiar to you all. Then it's called is khesuri. We made it by the rice, vegetables, and any other spices. And sometimes we mix it the uh, chicken also. Okay, the next slide. Here egg noodles. Here is the noodles and the and I think you know about it. Then it is orange flower. The student try to uh, perform a creative work by this flower. You can see here orange. They make a flower by the orange. Then it is cucumber chain. Uh, Cucumber chain. You know, cucumber is a vegetable in our tradition, and we love it very much. And then it is it's called guava. Guava, I think you know all, and it is familiar to you all. Guava, and the students try to make a flower by the guava fruits. And the finally is lemon and star fruit. It is these are star fruit, and these are lemon, and it is milk, and it is also an egg noodles. Then my favorite food. I love to eat chicken biryani. These are not very healthy, but I love it to eat. Like I ate last night biryani. I love it very much, and it is very common and popular food or traditional food in our region, and many of us like to eat very much. Uh, uh, and you can see the chicken also. We also like to very much, and I personally love to eat in in various times. Okay, the last is our traditional food, or our traditional food, Bengali in fish and rice. That means in Bangla, mase bhate Bengali. In English, Bengali in fish and rice. Usually, we eat it on the first day of Boishak. Boishak is the name of a month in our country. In Bangla month, actually, it is a name of Bangla month, Boishak, and the first day in the Boishak month, we eat these traditional foods. You can see it. These are healthy, but not so expensive. Too expensive. It is very much poor in our country. You can see the egg, rice, and so many other many other mm, foods here. Okay, Kunda ma'am, no more. Yeah, that's all to me. Thank you, everybody, for your precious time. If any question to from by the students, then you can call me, please.
Very nice presentation, Tushar sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
We saw new things, new food from Bangladesh, and while looking at pictures, it is very delicious, and that really we want to eat it.
Okay, I send you. I send you.
Thank you so much. वैशू तू करते का आता तुझं?
हा हो चालेल चालेल मला तू
Yes.
Tushar sir, in their your side food, in their dishes, no one is sweet dish there.
Sorry, please. Question again. Again, speak me the question. Tell me the question again.
In your PPT, no one is sweet dish there. Here are some spicy dishes, na?
Yes, yes. These are some spices. These are
present.
some spices and traditional and healthy foods here also. Here some fruits, milks are healthy for the students. On the other hand, biryani and kitchen are the spices foods. On the other hand, fishes and some and the fishes and the rice are the traditional and common foods in our region, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Vaishu, will you please start your PPT presentation?
तुषार सर प्लीज मेक मी होस्ट.
Okay, ma'am. Just wait. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see my PD?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Good evening, everybody. Welcome in Telecollaboration projects session number 4. The first session and second session we are completed. Third session answer we are completed, and the fourth session is our typical food in our region and zero hunger. This is the SDG goal number 2. Now Tushar sir is explain their typical food in India. Sorry, typical food in Bangladesh, and now I am explain typical food in India. Here we see the Puran Poli. Puran Poli is our in Maharashtra. Puran Poli is the traditional food in our Maharashtra. And then here we see Indian dishes. Here is a idli dosa. We can see here, and then here we can see Indian rice, chapatis, and then uh, chapati. Do you know? Do you eat chapati, Ibnul Hasan sir?
No, no, no. I chapati. That means rice.
No, no. Chapati means rice. No, we are making it with wheat.
Wait, no, 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 no. But I eat dosa. Dosa. It's
You
Indian
eat
food. I know.
dosa. Okay. Huh.
But
And
I don't eat
you also
chapati.
eat bread also.
Bread.
Bread.
Yes, yes. We usually eat the bread.
See here we you eat Indian bread, means we are chapati means Indian bread. Uh,
All these
this is
foods are
this is
delicious.
also dosa, and see we are taking our food with our daily routine.
Yes, yes, yes.
Chole bhature.
Chole
This is the
bhature.
Punjabi sweet dish. Huh?
Chole, what is the recipe of chole bhature, ma'am? I think it's
Chole
so
bhature.
delicious.
See, it's very nice and very delicious. It's a Punjabi food.
Okay.
In our state means Punjab mein, in Punjab it's Punjabi food. It's making with chole, chana,
Chole.
chana.
Okay, okay.
Uh,
Chole. Chola, that means chola. In Bangladesh, we call it chola.
chola, chola,
Okay, okay.
chole bhature,
Chole
chola.
bhature.
And see, uh, hmm. I make this PPT only 5 or 15 minutes. So every food is not entered in this PPT. In India, so many other qualities foods, but I have no time, so I cannot take some pictures in this PPT. And
Okay, no
now,
problem, ma'am.
then we can discuss about our main goal, zero
आहे
hunger.
एक मिनिट वैशू मुलांना
हो.
सगळ्यांना हे आहे की तुम्ही काही ऍक्टिव्हिटी करू नका. ताहेर तुम्ही फक्त पीपीटी बघा बरं, काहीच करू नका. पीपीटी प्रेझेंटेशन मध्ये प्रॉब्लेम येतोय.
कोण करताय का हे?
ताहेर करतोय ग.
ताहेर
मुसलमानों में allowed है.
काय टीचर
काय रे बेटा, काय चालू आहे तुझं? तू
टीचर
काही
नाही
हात
गेलं
तू नाही केलं का? अच्छा,
नाही.
बरं बरं.
ডাক্তারের কাছে যাই দাঁড়াও, হ্যাঁ ডাক্তারের কাছে যাই দাঁড়াও।
Zero hunger means SDG 2 is to end hunger, achieve food security, and improve nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. Means zero hunger. कौन करता है बेटा है?
You carry on, ma'am, please.
Okay. Promotes sustainable agriculture. SDG has 8 targets and 14 indicators to measure programs. We can see the objective, targets, and indicators, current status. And SDG 2 has 8 targets and 14 indicators to measure progress. The 5 outcomes targets are ending hunger and improving access to food, ending all forms of malnutrition, agriculture productivity, and sustainable food production systems, and resilient agriculture practices, and genetic diversity of seeds and cultivate plants, and farm and domesticate animals. The next question is, what is the status? What is the status figures of hunger of your country? In our country, in India, last undermarried. Asia is the continent which is hungriest people. Asia is the continent with the hungriest people, 2/3 of the total. The percentage in Southern Asia has fallen in recent years, and 66 million primary schools are primary school age children is in developing. Oh, sorry. Who is doing this? कोण करताय बेटा हे? प्लीज मला दिसत नाही ना सोन्या.
काय करतं वैशू? सिद्धार्थला ना, सिद्धार्थला डायरेक्ट रिमूव्ह करून टाक मीटिंग मधून.
सिद्धार्थ करतोय का ते?
सिद्धार्थला माहिती आहे, तू एकदा रिमूव्ह करून टाक नंतर त्याला मीटिंग मध्ये डायरेक्ट.
बर त्याला करते. ते दिसत नाही ना मग आपल्याला. इंडियन सिनेरियो. In 1990, 53% of Indian children were malnourished, and in 2015, the malnourishment declined to 40. And then in India, the 3 in 10 stunned children are Indians in India. In 53% women between 15 to 49 years, these are anemic women, and 80% infant and young children do not get minimum dietary diversity. This is the situation of our India. And then the next question. What steps are being implemented by your government to reduce hunger? In our India, Antyodaya Anna Yojana, it is the government policy. Antyodaya Anna Yojana is the sponsored scheme of government of India to provide highly subsidized food to millions of the poorest families. This scheme was developed by the then Union Food and Civil Supplies Minister Shanta Kumar and launched in 25 December 2000. And midday meal. midday meal. Here we are in our India, in our Maharashtra and other countries, other state also, they provide midday meal to students 1st to 8th and also 9 to 10th also. But 1st to 10th is compulsory taking food, give food to students. And they gave rice and other curry, means we are called it varan. Varan, we are called in Marathi varan, and rice, bhat. And other Delhi Langar Seva, this is also, I cannot add this slide in this project PPT. Delhi Hunger Seva, it is also government policy to make India zero hunger, and Roti Bank is also new policy uh, um, for zero hunger. And we are and then midday meal scheme, Shiva Bhojan Thali. Shiva Bhojan Thali, it is in Maharashtra. Uddhav Thackeray is launched Shiva Bhojan Thali in Maharashtra. National Food Mission. This is also our Zero Hungers organization, and Antyodaya Yojana. You can see the slide Antyodaya Yojana, and we are now. I am concluded my PPT, and thank you so much.
It's really excellent, and I know about your country. Your government take many steps to for zero hunger. It's really amazing.
Thank you. Very nice presentation, Vaishu.
In your country, Bangladesh, you have no government policy.
Yes, here zero. Sorry, midday meal. We midday meal policy. Government takes the midday meal policy, but we can't establish it permanently in our school campus. But we raise awareness to the students and said them, please take the meal in our in school from your home, and eat in your eat the food in the tiffin period.
Okay.
Vishali ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Urmila ma'am. Hello, Urmila ma'am.
Kunda, our session have only 4 minutes.
Yes. Urmila ma'am, do you want to say something about it? Hello.
No, Kunda, no, Kunda.
Do you want to say about on our topic something?
No, no.
Okay.
It's nice presentation, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks,
Hey,
Kunda.
Kunda ma'am, can we finish today's session by these 3 or 4 minutes?
Yeah. Today we will conclude on this
Thank you.
because our
You
topics
please
are
you please to give the speech, concluding speech, Kunda ma'am.
yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. From Tushar sir from Bangladesh. Your presentation was also very nice. We got so many things, and we increase our knowledge because of your PPT. It was too good. And from India, Vaishali ma'am's PPT is also very nice. This is a very nice session. Today's session was very nice, and this is a real collaboration between India and Bangladesh. Though our some fellow teachers are not presented here, but still we completed our fourth session. Today's our session was fourth, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Fourth session.
Yeah. Thank you so much from Tushar sir, Vaishali ma'am, Urmila ma'am, and thank you my students for listening me and presenting your PPT very nicely. Now we are concluding our session. Thank you so much for your presence.
Thank you, ma'am. Kunda ma'am,
Thank you,
I have a
Kundala.
request. I have a request to you. Please give send me the 2 videos.
Yeah. I saw your message, sir, but
Uh,
that videos are in my laptop, and my laptop is with me, my daughter, so I couldn't do it. But I'm going to send you.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you, ma'am. Okay. That's all for today's. Thank you all from my side. Really, I'm grateful to you all, the lovely students and Vaishali ma'am, and another ma'am who participate here. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you,
We'll
sir.
we will conduct our next session tomorrow.
Thank you.
Is it okay for you, Tushar sir?
Okay. Tomorrow 4 p.m. 4 p.m. or 5
Okay.
Okay.
4 p.m.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Thank
Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.